Well, hello there, boys and girls. So this is not ideal, but here's the scoop. My son tested positive for COVID over the weekend, so that means I'm out a little bit longer. So hope to be back with you guys really, really, really soon. Before we get into the instructions for today, a shout out to all of you guys who turned in drafts of your rule of law essay, even the ones who turned one in over the weekend. I think that's just awesome that you guys still continue to want to improve your writing. That's great. If you didn't turn one in or you turned one in that was incomplete, it's okay. That was just a rough draft. And like any essay, you need multiple drafts. So you will have a chance to produce a final draft later. Okay. So shout out to you guys for getting that done. Awesome, awesome work. Looking forward to reading and grading them, getting it back to you guys, and then getting a final draft. All right. So what are we up to today for Monday, August 30th? So you're going to start with this. We're going to start with a little government EOC practice, and this is going to be on USA Test Prep. So make sure you follow the instructions right here, okay? I will link it right here in the instructions for going to USA Test Prep, but just make sure you follow the link, the instructions right here. Type in the account ID first. You have to follow these directions in order. If not, it will not let you log in. Let me repeat that. You have to follow the instructions in order. If not, you're not going to get in, okay? If you don't know your username, it's usually your school Gmail address. If you don't know your password, the substitute teacher will have a card for you with your password on it. Also, you could check your email. You should have received an email from USA Test Prep with your login info. So one of those ways you can get in. The first practice shouldn't take you more than really 5 minutes. So I just said, look, this should not take you logging in, doing it, and finishing it more than 20 minutes because you have to get a 75% correct in order for you to move on. So do it as many times as you need to get at least a 70%. Okay. Once you're done with that, then you can move on. You're going to start with this quote, which I love this quote. Power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts absolutely, by Lord Acton. So what do you think this quote means? Give you a hint. Type in your answer there. And you're getting into this idea of limited government. So start with a little preview video. It's kind of my excuse to show you Lord of the Rings. And answer the one question here. What does the one ring symbolize? Then you're going to pull out your textbook. You're going to read a short passage on limited government, pages 9 through 10. You can click here to listen to the audio of it, and then answer the questions here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right here. Make sure, no matter what, make sure before you leave, even if you're not done with the reading and answering the questions, make sure you do the Google form right here. Okay, so make sure you click on that. It is just one question. I want to click on that right now so you can see it. It's loading. It has a picture of the rubric on there. So here's the question. The rubric tells you what you need in order to get a decent score. So I would focus at least on the proficient, okay? So just make sure you get that, right? One little change. Notice how it says completely answers all parts of the prompt. That's right. It doesn't have to be 2 complete paragraphs. 1 complete paragraph is good, okay? 1. And that's it, guys. Hit me up if you have any questions. Again, just make sure that you get this is the main thing. Make sure you get this done for today. Have a wonderful Monday, guys, and I hope to see you very, very soon.